everyone. So turns out it is a bit sunny today, a little bit. It's not too cloudy. Shops are opening today. I might just go and have a look around and see what's opened, what's not opened. But first, makeup. Also realized that I can wear my Christmas mask now. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm about to go now. So I got two things. Really excited. Let's start with the beginning. I went to Lush, which is probably one of my favourite shops in Tunbridge Wells, and I got two things. So I got that charity pot, which is literally my favourite hand cream ever. It's a hand and body cream, but I use it as a hand cream and it's just so good. And I don't know if it's all the money or most of the money that you spend on charity pots go to different charities. That one goes to street foods. So cute. I got Buche de Noël, which is a face cleanser. And if you know angels and bear skin, it smells quite similar. It has this almond smell. I just can't wait to try it. It's their Christmas one, so yeah. And I also got some samples, which I want to thank the ladies from the Tunbridge Wells Lush. Thank you so much. They're so nice and kind and helpful. I went to Superdrug and I got some soap, a body soap, which is a moisturising shower cream. Then also from Superdrug I got some tights. I went to a few charity shops. I really wanted to get an ugly Christmas jumper. I got the cutest one. I got these reindeers, they're so cute. So I got that, and then I got really nice shirt. I think I quite like it. So I got from the charity shop a book. I really like Sophie Kinsella at the moment. I'm reading one of her books. That's about it. It wasn't a big haul. I just really wanted to go around and have a look at what they had, and it was nice to see that the shops are back and open. Okay, so it took me ages to unknot this thing here. Hopefully we won't do it again. But now I just feel like hot chocolate and marshmallows and whipped cream on top of it. I really want to film myself baking, but I am a big mess. So I'm just going to do it and show you the results afterwards. Basically, I'm doing that which is Jamie Oliver's Welsh Cakes recipe, and I love them pretty much. Okay, so here are my Welsh cakes. So I've made some stars, some trees, but they're all broken because they're so brittle, and then some round shape, classic. Number 2. What's number 2? Oh, okay. Yay, it's a chocolate!
Ah, chocolate! Wow.
So yeah, hope you guys like that video. Please make sure to like it if you do, or share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!